Good day from the Experiland home studio.
Hello.
And we are going to look at
Float and fall.
float and sink.
Oh.
Float and sink. So we're going to look at why things float. Mika, have you ever, when you were in the swimming pool and you tried to float, do you have to take in your breath or do you have to exhale?
You need to take in your breath.
Yeah, so you have to inhale and then you will stay afloat. But the moment that you start exhaling, what happens to you? You start?
Sinking.
You start to sink. Yes, that's right. So let's explain this in a very nice experiment. Using only carbonated water and a popcorn, or you can use any. Those are lentils. So you can put in a little bit of the popcorn in, and then a little bit of the lentils, but you can use only one of them. And you will see immediately when we put them in, it starts to sink to the bottom. But the moment that the gas accumulated around either the popcorn or the lentils, then it starts to float again. And whenever the bubbles burst here and the thing becomes heavier again, it will sink back. But the more air it's actually carbonated air, so it's carbon dioxide. The more that it accumulates, the more it will then move to the top or the surface of our glass. This is a very nice way to explain how red blood cells carry oxygen. Obviously, it carries it in very minute form, not in big bubbles like this, but your red blood cell is like the lentil, and the moment that the oxygen will then be transported on the red blood cell, and then it will be given to the cell and it will transport the carbon dioxide back to the lungs again. So this is a nice experiment for that. I hope you enjoyed our experiment today, and we'll see you from Experiland again tomorrow.